Yes, good morning everyone. Students, today we will be reading our extended reading book, Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. As you had studied some pages of this book in PT1, in PT2, some pages are there in PT2. Half of the pages are done in PT1, half of the pages are done in PT2. But today we will revise PT1 pages also, and we will read PT2 pages also, PT1 pages, both. Okay. So revision of PT1 and reading of PT2. Okay. So let's start with reading. I'm going to tell you the story, and side by side I will be explaining the difficult words on the board. Okay, and their meanings will be explained to you. If you want to write the meanings of these words, you can note it down. You can write it on the book. So you should have pencils in your hand. Okay, so this is a story about a princess, Snow White and Seven Dwarfs. As I have told you, what are dwarfs? Dwarfs are the short height persons. Okay, जिनकी height बढ़ती नहीं है, ठीक है? But with the age, with the passage of age, their height doesn't increase. So those persons are known as dwarfs. Okay. So once upon a time, there lived a king and a queen. Okay. एक बार की बात है. Once upon a time. एक बार की बात है. Mostly stories में आपने ये सुना होगा. Once upon a time. एक बार की बात है. There lived a king and a queen. King और queen रहते. एक बार बात है किंग और क्वीन थे. Now king or queen, these are nouns. Okay. One cold winter day, the queen was sitting by her window sewing. Sewing means silna. As you can see the picture. Okay. The queen is sitting near the window and she is sewing. Okay. It was cold winter day. Cold winter day means सर्दी का ठंडा दिन था. सर्दी का ठंडा दिन था और क्वीन जो विंडो के पास बैठी स्विंग, शी वाज स्विंग. ओके. ओके. She could see the snowflakes falling like feathers from the sky. Now what are snowflakes? Snowflakes. Can anybody tell me what are snowflakes? Yes, write in chat box. Yes, बच्चे. Okay, students. Okay. So here what snowflakes is. Snowflakes क्या होता है? Flakes, pieces, छोटे छोटे pieces किसी चीज के. ठीक है बेटा, starting है. राधा, it's starting. Page number is 4. Starting. I'm going to read from the first page. I have started reading from the first page. Okay. जब snow, have you seen snowfall? Snowfall में snow नीचे गिरती है. It falls like cotton. Those flakes, उसको बोलते हैं snowflakes. ओके, फ्लेक्स बोलते हैं इसको. ठीक है. किसी भी चीज के छोटे छोटे पीसेस जब हल्के हल्के पीसेस हो जाते हैं तो उसको बोलते हैं फ्लेक्स. ओके. Sometime आप if you dandruff flakes, you must have seen it ad. Advertisements में क्या होता है? If you see the ad of dandruff shampoo, you see the white thing is on the clothes of that person जो ad दे रहा होता है. ओके. So ये जो छोटे छोटे पीसेस होते हैं इसको बोलते हैं फ्लेक्स, डैंड्रफ फ्लेक्स. ठीक है. फ्लेक्स मीन छोटे छोटे पीसेस होते हैं किसी भी चीज के. स्नो फ्लेक्स, डैंड्रफ फ्लेक्स, पापड़ फ्लेक्स, लाइक दिस. ओके. छोटे छोटे पीसेस किसी चीज के. रोटी फ्लेक्स, लाइक दिस. ओके. So no beta, you will not do the difficult, you will not write the difficult words, but you just underline it, because for your vocabulary these words should be clear to you. Okay. What is the purpose of reading? Purpose of reading is that your vocabulary should improve. Okay. You should improve your vocabulary. That's why you should come to know why extended reading books are there, so that you can improve your vocabulary. Okay. Yes. She could see, वो देख सकती थी. Okay. देख सकती थी, she could see the snowflakes falling like feathers from the sky. तो जैसे feather कोई हवा में feather होता है ना, ऐसे ऐसे वैसे flakes वो snowflakes गिर रहे थे. Okay, suddenly means एकदम से. Okay, suddenly she pricked her finger with the needle. Pricked, what is pricked? Have you pricked any balloon? When balloon is blown and उसको ऐसे पिन से ऐसे ऐसे करोगे फट जाता है. Prick. To pinch something with sharp things. Prick. Okay. ठीक है, prick करना उसको बोलते हैं. Okay. So suddenly she pricked her finger with the needle. Okay. सुई उसके finger पे लग गई. She was hurt with the needle, and few drops of blood fell on the snow. Okay. Prick का मतलब you should know what do you mean by prick. ठीक है, as I have told you. ठीक है, to hit with some sharp thing. To hit something with sharp thing is known as prick. Okay, it's a verb. Prick. Okay. Few drops. Few मतलब कुछ drops. बूंदे. Drops of blood fell on the snow. Okay. So some drops of blood fell on the snow. Snow पे गिर गई. The queen looked at the snow and said, उसने snow की तरफ देखा और बोली, I wish I had a child as white as snow with cheeks as red as blood. So it was looking very beautiful. Okay, it looked very beautiful. It seemed very, very beautiful to her that she wished, because she had no baby, and she wished, oh, I had a child as white as snow. It was looking very beautiful, and she wanted the child, okay, who is as beautiful as that thing. Okay, the red blood on the white, and it was white. It was looking like she was wishing for a baby having white face and with red cheeks. It was looking so beautiful that she thought of this thing. Okay, उसने इस चीज के बारे में सोचा. I have to. Sanvi, it's not clear, Vichi. Your message is not clear. A year later, then page number 6. A year later. Okay? I forgot to show you the picture. See, this is the picture. Okay, the queen has pricked his finger. The blood is coming out of her finger, and the blood fell on the snow. Snowflakes are coming out of window. Window से उसके अंदर आ रहे थे घर के अंदर. ठीक है? See, snowflakes are coming. Okay. So then, after this, okay, what happened? A year later. A year later means एक साल के बाद. I have to underline the words in the book which have to be written on the board. Yes, which are written on the board. Yes, you can underline. You should. That is the benefit of reading. You should inculcate this habit of underlining and writing the meaning on the book. This is a very good habit. You know. This is a very good habit. If you underline the things and write the meanings, write some hints, okay, so that you can remember it for long. So it's a very good practice. A year later, एक साल के बाद, the queen had a baby girl. Okay, queen के एक girl हुई, baby girl, whose skin was white as snow. जिसकी skin कैसी थी? Snow के जैसी white थी. Okay, see this baby girl. Okay, her cheeks were red as blood. कैसी cheeks थी उसकी? Blood की जैसी red. And the baby was very beautiful. Okay. Her hair was black as night. इतने black थे जैसे रात black होती है ना एकदम से वैसे. Okay. They named her Snow White. And what they named her? They gave the name to that child. What name they gave? Snow White. Okay. A few years later, कुछ साल के बाद, थोड़े कुछ सालों के बाद, when Snow White was a little older. Okay. थोड़ी सी बड़ी, little older, हल्की सी बड़ी. Okay, the queen died. This queen died when the baby grew older. The queen's a little older, she died. Okay, the new queen. And the king got another wife. और king ने दूसरी शादी कर ली और king की दूसरी पत्नी आ गई. Okay. The new queen was very proud and liked to think that she was the most beautiful woman in the world. उसने सोचा वो बहुत ज्यादा proud थी. Proud क्या होता है? घमंडी. ठीक है, who thinks that okay I have this, so I am very much blessed. Okay, so I have so many things, I have beauty, I am rich. So she was proud in that way. Okay, so she was the most beautiful woman, and she thought that she was the most beautiful woman in the world. Okay, पूरे संसार में most beautiful. Now what is this most beautiful? As you have done degree of adjective, most beautiful. Okay, this is the superlative degree. Okay, superlative degree है ना ये. Superlative degree कहाँ पे यूज होती है? जब सारी चीजों के साथ एक चीज को छोड़ के बाकी एक चीज से ज्यादा चीजों के साथ कंपैरिजन हो, बहुत ज्यादा चीजों से, तो वहां पे ये डिग्री यूज होती है क्वालिटी शो करने के लिए, मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल. Okay, so she thought she was the most beautiful woman in the world. Then next, see, she is the lady. She is the second wife of king. The queen had a magic mirror. So this is, what is this? This is magic mirror. So the queen, adjective ma'am. Yes, Srishti, adjective. Superlative degree. Very nice, Sahib Jyot. Very good. Okay. So the queen had a magic mirror. A magic mirror था उसके पास. ठीक है? That could speak. Could, can की जगह could आया. क्यों? क्योंकि पास में चल रहा है ये सारी स्टोरी. Okay, that could speak. जो बोल सकता था. Could, हाँ, सकता था, सकता है. Which can speak, वो बोल सकता है. Which could speak, जो बोल सकता था. Okay, so every day she would stand in front of mirror and ask. Every day, daily वो उसके सामने खड़ी होती थी. ठीक है, और पूछती थी, mirror mirror on the wall, who is the prettiest of all? Prettiest, the prettiest. Now again, prettiest. What is prettiest? Will you please tell me what is prettiest? The भी लगा है साथ में. What is prettiest? Write in chat box. Prettiest. Yes. Superlative. Very nice, Sahib Jo Singh. Yes, superlative degree of adjective. Very nice. And what is the way? First of all, est y को निकाल के iest लिख दिया. Moreover, the is also there. Okay, the is also there. The prettiest. Very nice. Okay, you can underline the word and you can write superlative degree of adjective pretty. Okay. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the prettiest of all? कौन सबसे सुंदर है? ओके, हिंदी होता तो आईने आईने दीवार के आईने, बता कौन सबसे सुंदर है. ऐसे होता है ना आपकी जो सीरियल्स आते हैं सब टीवीज वगैरह पे, किड्स के चैनल पे. ओके, एंड मिरर वुड रिप्लाई, और मिरर रिप्लाई देता. क्या रिप्लाई देता? यस जसरूफ, वेरी नाइस. क्या रिप्लाई देता? You dear queen, आप मतलब you dear queen, इसको मतलब तुम्हें सुंदर. You are perfect. You dear queen are the prettiest of all. सबसे सुंदर हो. आईना, क्योंकि उसको मिरर को सब कुछ पता था. Who is the prettiest? Okay, so because it was a magical mirror. Okay, this made the queen very happy. और क्वीन बहुत खुश होती थी. This made the queen very happy. Okay, time passed. Time चलता गया, गुजरता गया. Passed. Okay, as the time passed. Okay, time passed. You are in class 3. Okay, and Snow White grew up into a beautiful and kind girl. Okay, और स्नो वाइट एक बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल और काइंड गर्ल में कन्वर्ट हो गई, मतलब कि बड़ी हो गई, बड़ी होकर बहुत ही सुंदर और काइंड गर्ल बनी. ठीक है, सो ग्रू अप. ग्रू इज द, यस, ग्रू इज द सेकंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. ग्रू, बड़ी हो गई. इस चीज का बड़े होना कि बढ़ना. Beautiful and kind. What are beautiful and kind? Beautiful and kind are the adjectives. Beautiful and kind. Okay. So everyone loved her except the wicked queen. Wicked मतलब दुष्ट. Wicked. Okay. Wicked उसको बोलते हैं जो बहुत ही जालिम होते हैं, बहुत ही दुष्ट. Who are very clever and who are very cruel. Okay. Wicked उसको बोलते हैं. Okay. who always try to harm others for their own benefit, उसको wicked बोलते हैं. Okay, so everyone loved her except मतलब छोड़ के, एक चीज except मतलब उसको छोड़ के, किसको? except the wicked queen को छोड़ के सारे उसको प्यार करते थे. She hated Snow White. वो क्यों हेट करती थी स्नो वाइट को? कैन एनीबडी टेल मी? She hated Snow White. Why she hated Snow White? Yes, but write in chat box. Don't raise your hand. Write in chat box. Yes, क्यों करती थी? Very nice, Maheen. Very nice. She was very beautiful. She was more beautiful. She was the most beautiful girl in the world. Okay, she was the prettiest. She was the most beautiful. She was the prettiest. Okay. So she hated Snow White because she was very beautiful. वो स्नो वाइट को हेट करती थी. क्यों हेट करती थी? क्योंकि बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल थी. ओके, देन वन डे, फिर एक दिन क्या हुआ? द क्वीन आस्क्ड द मिरर. क्वीन ने जब मिरर को पूछा, मिरर मिरर ऑन द वॉल, हु इज द प्रिटीएस्ट ऑफ ऑल? मिरर मिरर वॉल के मिरर, ठीक है, कौन है सबसे प्रिटीएस्ट? हु इज द प्रिटीएस्ट ऑफ ऑल? The mirror replied मतलब answer. Okay, the mirror replied, white as snow, bright as light, prettiest of all is the Snow White. Okay, mirror ने क्या reply किया? White as snow, snow के जैसी white, bright as light, जैसे लाइट होती है वैसी ब्राइट है वो, चमक एकदम रोशनी उसके चेहरे को देख के. ओके, prettiest of all is the Snow White. सबसे prettiest Snow White है. This made the queen very angry. Now you can see the queen is in angry mood. She is very much angry. Sahibjot Singh Dhillon, please stop pasting the messages. Everyone is better. Please send the message directly to me. Just wait a moment. Okay. Okay, then see, you can see the queen is in very angry mood. Okay, now she called a servant. उसने servant को बुलाया and told him to take Snow White into the forest and kill her because she didn't want that Snow White should survive because she was prettier than the queen. Okay. The servant felt sorry for the princess. Servant princess के लिए बहुत ही sorry feel कर रहा था, उसको बहुत दुख हो रहा था. She didn't want to hurt her. वो उसको hurt नहीं करना चाहती थी. ठीक है, he didn't want to hurt her. वो उसको नहीं करना चाहता, hurt नहीं करना चाहता. So he left her in the forest. उसने क्या किया? उसको फॉरेस्ट में छोड़ दिया बिकॉज उसको नहीं चाहता था कि वो मतलब कि वो उसको मारे बिकॉज शी वाज सो ब्यूटीफुल एंड काइंड. काइंड क्या होता है? द पर्सन हु हेल्प्स अदर्स इन द टाइम ऑफ नीड. काइंड पर्सन उसको बोलते हैं जो हेल्प करता है दूसरों की, सबकी हेल्प करता है, उसको काइंड बोलते हैं. सबके लिए अच्छी फीलिंग रखता है. वी कॉल दैट पर्सन काइंड. He went back to the palace and told the queen that he had killed the Snow White. वो घर जाके क्वीन को क्या कहता है? He told the queen, okay, I have killed Snow White. Okay, he lied. Okay, he lied to the, उसने झूठ बोला. He told a lie. Okay, he told a lie to the queen. 4 hours together, Snow White wandered about the forest alone. ठीक है, कितने घंटों तक Snow White जंगल में घूमती रही. You can see jungle. This is Snow White. Okay. She met many little animals, okay, and birds. Who soon became her friends. वो कितने सारे animals जंगल में कितने सारे animals वगैरह से मिली जो उसके friend बन गए. At last मतलब last में. बेटा मैंने मीटिंग को अपडेट कर दिया है, ठीक है. जैसे ही मीटिंग ओवर होगी आप अगर सेम लिंक पे कर देना क्लिक तो आप मीटिंग में एंटर हो जाए. ओके. So at last she came upon a cottage. Cottage मतलब छोटा सा घर. Cottage by a big banyan tree. Big banyan tree के पास था. Okay, this is banyan tree. Okay, it was tiny cottage. Tiny मतलब छोटा सा. Tiny is also an adjective. Tiny is also an adjective. Okay, tiny is also an adjective. Okay, so it was a tiny cottage with a tiny door. Tiny छोटा सा उसका door था. Tiny windows, छोटी-छोटी windows and tiny chimney on the top. और top पे tiny सी chimney थी. Okay. Snow White knocked on the door, but she got no answer. उसने door पे knock किए, but no answer was there. So she pushed the door open and walked in. उसने push करके open किया door को and walked in. Walked मतलब अंदर आना, ठीक है? And walked in. Okay. So she saw a little table with 7 little chairs. देखा उसकी little table था, छोटा सा table था और 7 उसकी chairs लगी हुई थी. Okay, this table was laid for 7 people. It was looking like that. The table is laid for 7 people. As the 7 plates were there, 7 chairs were there, and all the plates were served with something. Okay, some eatables were there in the plates. What tiny plates and spoons! Exclaimed Snow White. I wonder who lives here. Okay, what tiny plates and spoon? ठीक है, कैसे छोटे-छोटे प्लेट हैं, छोटे-छोटे स्पून हैं. I wonder, मैं हैरान हूँ, कौन रहता है यहाँ पे? Okay, she was hungry. उसको भूख लगी. Hungry is also an adjective. So she tasted a little food from each of the little plates. छोटे plates से थोड़ा-थोड़ा उसने खाया. Okay. Then she got up and went to the other room. Okay, दूसरे रूम में चली गई. Okay, there she saw 7 little beds. What did she see there? 7 little beds were there. Now on the in the next page. Okay, yes, 7 little beds were there. Yes. And all neatly made. All neatly made मतलब उनको जो बिछाए हुए थे उनपे जो भी बेडशीट वगैरह थी सब बहुत अच्छे से बिछे साफ सुथरी थी. All neatly made beds were made. To make a bed means bed के ऊपर सारी बेडशीट वगैरह बिछाना उसको बोलते हैं to make a bed. Okay. This must be the bedroom. ये bedroom होगा. She was surprised to see this beautiful bedroom. She said to herself. उसने अपने आप को बोला, this must be a bedroom. Maybe I can rest a while here. थोड़ी देर के लिए मैं कर सकती हूँ. ठीक है. She tried out the first bed. The first bed पे try किया. No, but it was too narrow. बहुत ही छोटा था, narrow सा था. She couldn't sleep. She couldn't adjust there. The next one was too hard. दूसरा बहुत hard था. And then one after that was too soft. बाद में जो उसके बाद था बहुत ही soft था. After she had tried all the beds, she found that 7th one was just right for her. जब वो 7th बेड पे गई उसको लगा, उसने देखा कि ये बहुत ही ठीक है, बिल्कुल ठीक है. So she lay down on the 7th bed and fell asleep. वो उस पे बैठ गई, लेट गई and she lay down and she fell asleep. मतलब बहुत गहरी नींद आ गई. Okay, then now the cottage belonged to 7 dwarfs who were out at the time. Okay, और ये कॉटेज किसका था? ये 7 dwarfs का था. ये कॉटेज था 7 dwarfs का. ठीक है, who were out at that time. वो जो उस टाइम पे बाहर गए थे. See, these are dwarfs. The Snow White is sleeping. She is sleep and she is sleeping and see dwarfs are there. 7 dwarfs are there. Okay. When they returned home, वो जब घर वापस आए, that evening they knew straight away that someone had been there. When they entered in the room, they got the idea from the table, from the plates, and from their house. They got the idea that someone is there, someone had come. Who has been sitting on my chair and eating from plate? Cried the first dwarf. First dwarf ने बोला, कौन मेरी चेयर पे बैठा और खा रहा है? Someone has been sitting on my chair and eating from my plate too. Cried the second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth dwarfs together. सबने इकट्ठे बोला, क्या बोला? Someone has been sitting on my chair. कोई भी बैठा था इस पे, ठीक है? And eating from my खा रहा होगा, ठीक है? किसी ने खाया है, ठीक है? So this is very strange indeed. Indeed मतलब सच्ची में बहुत ही अजीब है. सॉरी, स्ट्रेंज मतलब अजीब है, ठीक है? Said the seventh dwarf who was the oldest. Seven dwarfs ने बोला जो सबसे बूढ़ा था. Okay, सबसे बूढ़ा था. Then they went to the bedroom and first dwarf shouted again. वो bedroom में गए तो first dwarf एकदम से shout किया, someone has been lying on my bed. कोई मेरे बेड पे सोर लेटा हुआ है. Okay, someone has been lying, लेटा हुआ था. ठीक है, someone has been lying on my bed too. मेरे बेड पे भी कोई लेटा था. Cried the second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth dwarfs. सबने दूसरे तीसरे ने सबने बोला मेरे बेड को लेटा था together. But when the seventh dwarf went up to his bed, जब seven dwarfs ने बेड पे गया, he saw Snow White lying there fast asleep. उसने देखा स्नो वाइट को लेटी हुई थी, बहुत गहरी नींद में. Oh, look, he called out. Oh, look, there is a girl sleeping on my bed. गर्ल है जो मेरे बेड पे, एक गर्ल है जो मेरे बेड पे सोई है. All the dwarfs rushed to his bedside. उसकी बेड साइड पे, उसकी बेड की तरफ दौड़े. Rushed मतलब जल्दी जल्दी में भागना. ठीक है, to look at sleeping girl. Sleeping girl को देखने के लिए. She is so pretty, they exclaimed. वो हैरान हुए, exclaimed. मतलब एकदम से किसी चीज पे एकदम से ऐसे हिल जाना, क्लीन हो जाना खुशी से. She is so pretty. बहुत सुंदर है, इतनी सुंदर है. At that moment, उसी moment, उसी वक्त, moment मतलब at that time. Okay, Snow White woke up. Okay, second form of verb, woke up. Okay, Snow White उठी, ठीक है. When she saw the seven dwarfs staring at her, stare मतलब continuously to watch at something, to see at, look at something. उसको बोलते हैं stare, S-T-A-R-E, stare. Okay, please keep on underlining these words. She cried out in fear. वो डर से चीख पड़ी. ठीक है, she cried. The dwarfs spoke to her kindly. उन्होंने बहुत ही kindly बोला, spoke to her kindly and told her not to be afraid. उसको बोला कि डरना नहीं. Told her not to be afraid. Okay, ना डरने के लिए बोला. Okay, please tell us who you are and how did you come into this forest? They asked. Please हमें बताओ तुम कौन हो और इस जंगल में कैसे आई हो. ओके, they asked, उन्होंने पूछा. Then उसने क्या बोला? My name is Snow White. मेरा नाम Snow White है. She replied, उसने आंसर दिया. And told them all about the wicked queen who had wanted her killed. और उसको उस रानी के बारे में, स्प्रिंग के बारे में बताया, दुष्ट रानी के बारे में बताया जो कि उसको मारना चाहती थी. Who wanted to kill? बेटा पेज नंबर 19, 18, see 18 पेज number is there. Okay, and now I have nowhere to go. मेरे पास कोई जगह नहीं है जाने के लिए. She said and began to cry. उसने बोला और रोना शुरू कर दिया. Began मतलब second form, began. Okay, oh please don't cry, said the seventh dwarf. Seventh dwarf ने बोला please don't cry. Yes, said the seventh dwarf kindly मतलब बड़े प्यार से, बड़ी दयालुता से बोला, बड़े अच्छे से बोला. Please रो मत. You don't have to go anywhere. You can live with us. तुम्हें कहीं जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. तुम हमारे साथ रह सकती हो. फिर उसने बोला oh thank you, I would love that. मतलब मैं यहाँ रहना पसंद करूंगी. I would love that, said the Snow White happily. बड़ी खुश होकर उसने बोला happily. She said I would love that. All the dwarfs danced in joy when they heard this. सबने सब खुश हो गए. All were happy and they started dancing. They were very happy that Snow White would be living with them. बड़े happy थे कि Snow White उनके साथ रहेगी. Okay, so from that day, उस day से Snow White began living in the cottage. उसने कॉटेज में रहना शुरू कर दिया. She cooked food. वो food बनाती थी. Made the beds बनाती